Imagine turning $9,100 into over $100 million in just 8 years. This is Kristjan Qullamaggie, possibly the greatest trader you've never heard of. His story is amazing. He turned $9,100 into over $100 million in just 8 years. He became the 15th highest earner in Sweden. Kristjan Qullamaggie is a self-taught trader. Over 8 years, he mastered swing trading, focusing on specific setups and risk management. We've researched his strategy in details, and we will show you how you can apply it to crypto and try it yourself. Before we start, here is just a quick disclaimer and a short message from our sponsor. Trading is not easy. It requires skills, knowledge, and education. If you want to start trading and investing in crypto, you can try this trading strategy and many more on Bitpanda, all-in-one trading platform where you can trade and invest in more than 600 different crypto coins, famous stocks, ETFs, and much more. Check the link in the description to sign up and claim your bonuses. Let's get back to the video. Kristjan was born in Estonia, studied finance in Norway, and worked night shifts as a security guard. It was during those quiet overnight hours in 2011 that his trading journey truly began. He lost his first 4 deposits, but each loss sharpened his skills. Before going full-time, he tried startups and consulting, but hated meetings, bureaucracy, and being told what to do. So he chose the markets, and never looked back. Kristjan lives like a monk. No luxury, no distractions, no showing off. His words, "I'm only interested in schedules, catalysts, and discipline." His life is optimized for one thing: profit. He built his reputation live streaming trades with brutal honesty, winning the respect of thousands. He doesn't sell books, courses, or give Telegram signals, but he is still featured in many famous crypto magazines. In 2014, he blew up. He over-leveraged a trade with no real stop-loss strategy. His words were, "My ego outweighed the system." That failure forced him to reinvent his system, with strict rules and no mercy. So what's his method? Here's a breakdown of Kristjan Qullamaggie's system. Step 1. He scans daily charts to find assets that have already gone up 3,100% in the past 12 weeks. Step 2. He waits for a 2 to 8 week consolidation, a calm after the storm, where the price rests near the 10, 20, or 50-day moving averages. Step 3. He enters when price breaks out of that consolidation, placing stops at the day's low. Step 4. He sells 1.3 to 1.2 of his position within the first 3-5 days, then trails the rest using the 10 or 20-day moving average. An important part of his strategy is also position sizing. Kristjan never risks more than 1% per trade. Early on, he was risking 1.5% and he was blowing up accounts. Now, he sizes carefully. Trades are usually 10-20% of account size, but only 0.25 to 1% risked. He also never holds more than 30% of any trade overnight. This way, one bad trade can't kill the portfolio. His favorite pattern? The flag breakout. A strong move up, tight consolidation, and then the breakout. He watches for flat channels or symmetrical triangles. His entry? Right after the breakout. His stop? Just under the structure. Kristjan's win rate? Only 30%. Yes, 7 losses, 3 wins, out of every 10 trades. But the key is asymmetric risk. If each loss is 1% and each win is 10%, you lose 7%, gain 30%, and net plus 23%. That's how he made $100 million. Small controlled losses, big clustered winners. Kristjan Qullamaggie's story is a testament to what's possible with strategy, discipline, and perseverance. If you're inspired to embark on your trading journey, remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with dedication, the sky's the limit. Kristjan's journey offers valuable lessons. Discipline. Over emotion, stick to your trading plan, avoid impulsive decisions. Risk management. Always use stop losses to protect your capital. Continuous learning. Study charts extensively to recognize profitable patterns. Patience. Pays. Wait for the right setups. Not every day presents an opportunity. From $9,100 to $101 million, through systems, discipline, and pure focus. The question is, will you try this strategy? Apply it to crypto, build your edge, and stay consistent. Remember, you can try it on the famous Bitpanda exchange. Also, if you want to learn more about crypto trading and investing, make sure to download our free crypto trading and investing guide for beginners and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let's master the markets together, one trade at a time.